Alright, so this part can be, you can spend a lot of time on a theme and trying to find a good one and the one that you like. I have a one that I use that I don't even think they make it anymore, but it's on my store. I couldn't seem to find it here anymore. I think they changed the name or something. But anyway, you can hit customize theme, and this will change what it looks like. So the current theme is the default one, but there's also free themes, and then there's the theme store, and you can get help, whatever you want to do. So if you go to explore free ones, there's a couple available, and minimal is very popular right here. Brooklyn, well, minimal looks like that. So it just has very minimalistic looking aspects to it, whereas Brooklyn is a pretty standard one that a lot of stores use. It's a good one. The one that I'm thinking here is simple, just because I like simple. I like it light. I don't care about beauty, but I like light. So I think I'm going to use the simple one for this demo store. And then it's adding it. So then once it adds it, I can go in and actually edit it. So if I want to view the store now, you see what it looks like. It's got the old one. And you can change all this front page stuff too, right in the, the front page in your catalog. And then yeah, it should add like a contact us and everything else like that. So here, I've added simple, so I want to customize it. So I just want to change what it says, because right now it says Deal Store Official, so I could change that to say what I want it to. So if I click on the theme settings, there's all the colors, typography, cart, navigation, social media, favicon, checkout, change theme style. You can also do that, change it to the beauty one, but I like this one better. So if you go here under header, you can put your logo in there. You can do a custom logo, announcements, whatever you want to do. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can play around with. On the front of the store, I kind of like to have the collections, and I'll make a collection called front page, so that I can put everything basically from the front page on there, and it'll rotate too. And then the sidebar, feature collection, and if you want to turn this off, you just hit the little eyeball thing, and it'll turn it off. So that's pretty cool. If you want to edit it, you just click it, and it'll show which collection is in here. So it's a home page one, and it'll show a number of rows. You can turn that down, or turn it up, if you really want it to like 5. 2 is probably good. So what you need to do is kind of go in here and start tinkering with your theme and get it set the way you want. There's no real wrong way to do it, in my opinion. I like the plain stuff, so I'm gonna keep mine pretty plain for this, because this is just a demo store. I'm not actually gonna run this store later on, but you can change the colors too. So the background's white, but say you wanted like a red background. I mean, it looks awful, but you can do it. You can change it to whatever you want. So let's put that back to white. The text, you can change the colors, everything. There's everything that you want to do, you can. And if you're stuck on how to make a certain change, there's help available too. Right on the, where it said get theme help, you can get experts that'll help you with your themes. So this is a good one because it's free and easy, and that's what I like. So go ahead and play with your theme, get it set up the way you want it, and then what we're going to have to do is start installing some apps, and we'll have to connect it to our domain name as well, because we don't want to advertise as Deal Store Official. We want to advertise as the Deal Store. So I think in the next video, I'll show you how to hook up your domain to your Shopify store.